Hey, good morning, everyone. Um, Today is May 14, Wednesday, and welcome to McBoss Capital Channel live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. So today market actually up again, 0.5%, 0.1% for Dow, almost flat for S&P. Volume surprisingly higher today, so that's interesting. Let me just go check the volume here. Give me a sec here. Let's go to QQQ. So volume was really high yesterday. Um, the volume here on QQ doesn't show much higher. Let's go to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq volume was also high yesterday, above average. So I'm not sure. Right now it's saying it's higher, but they don't show Nasdaq volume at the real time comparison. So but going back to QQ, we don't see the volume much higher. So that's interesting. But QQQ is only the top 100 stocks, so there may be some um, other stocks that are in Nasdaq that are maybe have higher volume. I'm not sure. So we'll watch that over the day. Again, we talk about this. We are very extended. Anytime now we could have a pullback, like right here. So don't be surprised by that because the 10-day has to catch up. As sharp the 10-day is just right here. It could it could pull back halfway point towards the 10-day. So today I'm not sure if it's gonna be a reversal day. So far this morning looks really good. We found support right here. So that could be a stop level for short-term trading. Um, yeah. So we'll see. So far, like I said, it's holding, but we haven't made new high though, so it's possible we could reverse, right? So, but if we do break through, now I mean we could have another good day. So again, so far market has been able to hold the last 2 days since the China-US tariff news. So we'll see if this continues because maybe. But like I said, we're getting really extended. So at some point, stocks are going to pull back, you know. So something to watch out for. On Google stocks on IBD stocks in the move screen, um, we have 20 stocks here, and the lowest here is at 38% volume. So it's okay because we're almost 1.5 hour in. The volume is still okay. Um, so yeah, it looks pretty good today so far. So let's go look at some of this here. Excel reported it's not the strongest forward guidance, so that's up to you. Like it's a gap up today, breakout. It does have the current quarter kind of lower earnings, but market seems to be okay with that. So if you don't look at this, like four earnings are still pretty good later in the year. So that's that one. NXT also, you know, not doesn't have the strongest earnings, gap up today. I'm not sure if it's reaction to earnings. It could be because it says May 14. So, but again, earnings guidance are not the strongest. So, I'm not. Sorry. Then we have SC. So SC has been rising really nicely. There was one pullback right here, and that was the last time I actually added here. So far it's been accelerating. So this is good news. Yeah. So in that group, I'm just gonna go to my spreadsheet here. The other stock is Cabana. So we also had a pullback here. I also added here, and also is accelerating, both like bouncing out. So this is a traditional breakout right here. So that looks good. Next you have EH. Oops, skip a little bit here. Reddit. Okay. So for a long time, it couldn't pass this 50-day moving average, and then this morning it finally did, like decisively. So I have added position to this. So we'll see if it works, you know. But so far it's working. So we'll see. Looks good. That's Reddit. Reddit there. In that group, we also have light, light in the telecom area. So this one continues. So we have some pullback to the 10-day here, but right now it's accelerating. So looks pretty good. We have Nvidia. So lots of AI news yesterday, Saudi investment and so forth. It bounced a lot yesterday. Look at that volume, and it came above 200 day, and today it followed through. Looks really good. Yep. And the next one also AI related, Palantir. So this one pulled back on the earnings, and then now it broke out from this cup with handle buy point yesterday. Also higher volume, so that's good. So again, followed through today. Looks really good. So that's pretty much it. Credo, it was up this morning, but yeah, it's still up a little bit, but it's been reversing. So as you can see, it's trying to hold these lows here. Okay, let's keep going here. A-Lab doesn't have the strongest earnings. Affirm. Okay, let's look at Affirm. So Affirm is a little bit volatile. You can see the pullbacks here, but right now, since this last pullback, which was the earnings, so after that earnings news, it was able to come back up. And the slope is pretty strong right now, and it's making new high today. So it looks really good. Let me go down here, Affirm. We also have Skyward and Toast here. So this one reversed a little bit, but it seems to be making new highs. But yeah, this is a little reversal here, so we'll watch for the day. And then we have Toast. Oops. Toast continue to power up really strong after this breakout right here. So yeah, really strong move. That was Toast. Let's keep going here. We have CLS, Celestica. This one, it was trading really tight here. It was really hard, like, really tight range, but it was choppy, right? And then it broke out here on volume, and then the next day it followed through on volume again, and today it followed through again. So, but it is reverse. So again, the 10-day is quite far down right now. So there may be a small pullback here. So that's CLS here. Another stock in the group, XMTR. So this one has a 10-day slope that looks like this. It pretty much right, and then accelerate right here. Then it kind of goes sideways. And today it kind of tried to come to the 10-day, and then it bounced. So this morning you can see right here, came back to the 10-day, and then it bounced. So I did add another position here on the bounce, so we'll see if this will work. Yeah, let's keep going here. EH not the strongest earning. APR. Penumbra. Okay, Penumbra. Penumbra is not making a big move, even though it's trading tight, but it's not making a big move. That's the only problem with this stock. And also like it's not ranked really high on my ranking sheet here. So it's like 249. So it's a slow mover right now. It looks good, but it's just not moving much. So CGJ doesn't have the strongest earnings. Prim not strongest earnings. UTI, TSM. So TSM just slightly missed my earnings guidance of 10%, but it is moving really strong. A lot of chip stocks are moving right now, so it's just slowing down here. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. Like the technical looks really strong here. So this was the last time you probably could add. Right now, it looks quite extended. So um, let's take another look at the market here. Let's see if anything has changed. So it looks like there's one bar down right now. So we'll see. If we break this, we'll probably head lower today. So we'll see if that happens. Right now, all the index are red except QQQ. So let me go back to here, refresh here. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, Dow is pretty close to red. It's probably red now because on my live screen it's red. This one might be a few minutes delay. So yeah. So anyhow, that's something to be cautious this morning is that we break this low and stocks could. It's almost like I said, it may be time for the market to give back a little bit. So thank you for watching today. Stay safe. It's a good market, but like I said, we quite extended. I'll just highlight this point. We are right here, 10-day, and the last big pullback was right here, and then we have another pullback here. So if you look at the price range, we haven't had a pullback more than that range, right? So we are almost due for a pullback here. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.